Having you ever tried to create a new Apple ID only to be greeted with this frustrating message? Your account cannot be created at this time. You are not alone. This is one of the most common roadblocks iPhone and iPad users face when setting up an account in 2025. But don't worry, in this video, I will walk you through step by step 100% working solutions that will get you past this error so you can finally create your Apple ID without headaches. Let's fix this. First of all, understanding the problem. This error usually means that something is blocking Apple servers from verifying your account. It could be your internet, your VPN, outdated software, incorrect settings, or even hidden configuration issues. So, we are going to start the simplest fixes and work our way to the more advanced ones. First of all, let's make sure your internet connection isn't the problem. From your iPhone's control center, try switching between Wi-Fi and mobile data. If you are on Wi-Fi, turn it off and try using mobile data. Or if you are on mobile data, switch to a stable Wi-Fi network. Why? Because Apple's account creation process needs a consistent and fast connection. Even a small drop in speed can cause it to fail. If you are using a VPN, this might be the main culprit. VPNs hide your IP address and location, and sometimes Apple's security system doesn't like that. So go to Settings, search for VPN, and turn it off. After disabling it, try creating your Apple ID again. If your iPhone or iPad is running an older iOS version, bugs or outdated security protocols could be blocking your account creation. So go to settings again, then go to general, then software update and install the latest version. This ensures your device is fully compatible with Apple's servers. Next, make sure your date and time is set automatically. Go to settings, then general, then click date and time. Enable set automatically. If your clock is even a few minutes off, Apple server verification can fail. And yes, it's that sensitive. If nothing has worked so far, we'll try reset all settings. Don't worry, this won't delete your photos or data. It just resets system settings like Wi-Fi passwords, wallpapers, and preferences. So go to settings, then general. Now click transfer or reset iPhone, then reset. And lastly, click reset all settings. Once done, try the Apple ID creation again. As a final option, create your Apple ID through the official app website. Visit appleid.apple.com. Click create your Apple ID. Enter your personal details, email, password, and complete the verification steps. After getting it online, simply sign in on your iPhone. And that's it. These fixes work for 2025 and have helped countless users get past the your account cannot be created at this time error. If this video helped you, give it a thumbs up, subscribe for more iPhone tips